How to personalize the Logic drummer. When you have created the drummer track, select your drummer, choose a style, adjust the style to fit your project. When you like what you hear, drag the track into a previous created MIDI track with the drum simulator of choice. I use the free plugin by Steven Slade called Steven Slade Drummer 5. Make your adjustments by dragging up and down the MIDI notes. I like to make sure my adjustments make sense. A drummer has only 2 arms. In this adjustments, there are 3 hits at the same time. Therefore, I deleted the right notes. Have fun!